So we have seen the basic tags, some of the basic tags that are available on in HTML. Like I said, you can go through all the tags and play around with it and get familiar with it. So like I said, this is not the standard format of writing a HTML template. This is just for example's sake. So I'm going to go ahead and create the standard format. So there are some things you need to know when writing codes. There are some important concepts you need to understand, and believe me, if you understand this concept from the beginning, it will help you to make things it will make things very easier for you. So some of the things you need to understand, you'll notice that the all the lines are numbered. You have 1 through 21. So all these are lines of code, and each line of code is numbered. So basically, the way the compiler and the browser interprets these codes is that it interprets it line by line. It have to render what is at the top first, then followed by it, just like that. So it follows it linear in a linear format. It's the first line after the order. Okay, so we cannot get this H1 before this P, because this P comes before it. So that's just one among many concepts that you get to understand, which will make things very easy for you as you journey as a developer. So let's just go ahead and let's delete this. Let's just exit this and save. Let's make sure our template is clean. Yep, we don't have anything. So we are going to start with a doc type. It's a declaration key. So this is it. VS Code has an autocomplete. So I'll just click on it and explain what it means. So if you're not using VS Code, you might have to type it manually. But if you're using VS Code, you will get this autocomplete stuff. So this doc type, we're basically telling the browser that this is the doc type, the HTML version it should expect from this document. So there are different versions. Currently, HTML is in version 5, but then there is version 4.1 and others, but this is the doc type for declaring version 5, which is the latest, So it has to be at the top of every HTML template or file you're going to build, So this is declaration of the doc type, It's very important so that the browser will know that you're writing HTML5 codes, So after declaring the doc type, the next tag is the HTML. Okay, VS Code once again. So basically, this HTML open and close tag is where you will write where all the tags will sit down. They will sit here. They will be positioned in here. So after this, we have this HTML tag, which is basically like the parent tag. Every other tag would be in between here. It's like kind of the root tag. It can encapsulate all the other elements. Okay, then after this we have the head tag. Okay, head tag. So this head tag is very important in the sense that it has a lot of things that it instructs the browser to do. For example, some of the tags that are within the head tag is the title of the tab, which is the title tag. Let me just show you an example. Say title. Okay. So basically, this title controls the title in the browser tab. So let's check out the what's in the current tab. Okay, you see the name of the tab. What's there currently is index.html, which is the name of our original file. Let's go to our original file, index.html. Okay, so that's the title there. So let's try and update the title so you can see. This is the updated title. Okay, let's save it. Let's come here and refresh. See, So it's taking our tag is now taking the tag. So this is in the head tag is where you put the title and then the fav icon and then some other important meta tags like the viewports, the style sheets, the metadata for social networks and all that stuff. So the head tag is very, very important. It's not for the user to interact with. Basically, I think what's very important in the head tag is just the title that user sees. But there are some very, very important tags that are also embedded within the head tag. Like some external styling, some CDN. The viewport, and the viewport is very, very important when you are dealing with responsive styling. So I can do an entire session covering the head tags and all that, so we can go through all the meta tags. But let's just do the title now, and then maybe we'll do the fav icon. So the fav icon is basically this globe. We can also change the icon on this globe. So let's use that avatar image for the fav icon so you can see. So to add the fav icon, you simply come under the title or above the title, whatever. So you just type link. Okay, you type link, type rel. Okay, and equals to icon. Then you say href. Remember we did href when creating a link. Okay, so href, we want to link the source of the icon now. Okay, so the source is, let's use this avatar. Okay, this is the source. So this is the path to the source. It's on desktop, not on this same folder. So you have to, that's why we have to go to levels up. Okay, and after this href, then we'll say type. Okay, type will be image slash x icon. Okay, so this is basically it for our fav icon. Okay, so let's save it and see if it will update. Let's come to our browser, let's refresh. Yeah, you see our new fav icon is now the avatar image that we downloaded, which is this avatar image, this avatar image here. Yep, so this is it. So that's our fav icon. So as you can see, you have total control over your browser and all that, the pages. Then let's look at the body. Okay, so let's look at the body. So to create the body tag, you open a angle brackets and type body, and then you close it. Okay, so now this body tag is where you write all the content. So all the content we wrote in that previous session is supposed to be here. Okay, that's why I said it wasn't the standard way. Okay, this is the standard way. So everything is in the body tag now. So let's see, let's write let's do a h1. Let's see, this is the content. Okay, let's save it. Let's go and refresh. Let's see. Good. So as you can see, we have a control over our title. We have control over our fav icon. We can change our fav icon to whatever we want. We can even use an online image as well for that fav icon. Then the content. So this is where you write all the content and all that. So this is the standard structure of a basic HTML doc type elements or templates. So to recap it, we have the doc type, specifying the doc type, the version of HTML that the browser should expect. And we have the HTML tag, which is the root tag that covers every other element. That's like the parent tag. Then we have the head tag, which is like the one that controls the behavior of the browser. That's the title, the fav icon, meta tags, and all that. CDN, external style sheets, bootstrapping, and all that. So, and then we have the body tag, where every other element that is displayed in the browser sits in the body tag. We have this where we have the nav bar, the body, the footer, the header, the sidebar, all the other elements, all the structures, all the sections, they sit in the body tag. Okay, so that's just this is the standard structure. Okay, to give you access to all the resources of your web page, how you can manipulate that. So we're going to be looking at the styling in the next session.